This review of Commission Gorilla version 3, we're going to just be looking at Commission Gorilla as well as the sales page to see what it is you're going to get when you pick this up. There is a link in the video description in the pinned first comment. My bonus is a 30-minute strategy call with me to discuss how you can use Commission Gorilla to achieve the results that you're hoping to achieve using this tool. Now, what is this tool? This tool is essentially a page builder. It allows you, when you're inside the tool, to see a lot of statistics about the pages that you build. And then it has this mechanism called bonus blocks. What this does is it allows you to build these bonus blocks when you click on any of these layouts and design these blocks that you add to the page that is going to be your bonus page. So let me explain that real quick or show you one of these. If you go under My Pages, what they have is the page or a listing of the pages that you've made yourself, or they have the built-in pages that you can see right here. So for example, if I want to promote Conversion Gorilla or Commission Gorilla version 3, or Post Gopher or Genius Ladder, Lander, these are all the products that are sold by the company that makes Commission Gorilla. So they make it very simple for you to promote their products as an affiliate or create your own pages to promote any product you want in any niche. So check this out. Promote Commission Gorilla version 3. Click preview. And what you're going to see here is the hosting or the website where they host the pages for you. So you get web hosting, or you get these bonus pages hosted 100% free on their domain bonuscrate.com. So you can see this is the template that they're providing you to promote Commission Gorilla. So these 10 for you bonuses are bonuses they provide you. That's PLR or private label rights content. They're saying you can use these bonuses as is. And this is the sticky point or the tricky point where a lot of affiliates buy this product and get caught up, is they promote or they add these products as bonuses on products they're promoting. And this looks just like everybody else that is promoting these products. So for example, this is the template to promote Commission Gorilla. You can see here that the link is already pre-added for you, and they've added all of the blocks. You can see bonus number 1. This is a bonus block. These are the blocks that you create in your bonus library. Bonus number 2, bonus number 3. This is a simple idea of bonus stacking. These pages, this product Commission Gorilla builds these pages and hosts these pages for you over at bonuscrate.com. So essentially, if you have a bonus or if you have a page builder or you have hosting, you have the ability to host and build pages for your bonuses already. You don't technically need this product, but this product is good. I actually purchased this product in 2017. You can see here, this is Commission Gorilla. I purchased it 2017. I still have access to it. It still works. I bought the Pro upgrade. I bought the instant bonuses one time. Also bought the sales bypass page. This is a mechanism where you can sometimes bypass the sales page and link directly to a checkout page. It is an option for some products it's not. I also bought the version 3 review block add-on. But back to the tool and what we're looking at here under My Pages. What you can do is you can simply click clone. So again, we're looking at their built-in pages, and I want to clone a page. So when you click the link in the description of this review video, it's going to take you over to this page that we're going to build right now, and you're going to see my bonus of a 30-minute strategy call. So I'm going to go ahead and click clone. And as you can see, it builds a freshly cloned page. You can see it named it this, and we need to change that name because clone 63D7EEE 5C and a bunch of other numbers and digits isn't going to mean anything to me later on. So you can see here in the page settings, I can change that name. I click OK. And then you can see that it is simply a block-based builder. You simply drag and drop, or you move these around where you want them, or add in other elements. And we're going to walk through that right now. Page settings. Here's that clone name, that ugly clone name. I'm going to go ahead and call this 30 YouTube Commission Gorilla V3. So I know what that is. Here is my affiliate link. Here is where you would paste in your affiliate link. The affiliate link, when someone clicks it, they go over and buy it and you earn a commission. This is my affiliate link. I've tagged a little TID or a identifier here to say this is from YouTube. And I'll go ahead and say here, if I pause the page, just go ahead and redirect it to the same link. And basically this just means you can activate or pause the page here for different reasons. If the offer is maybe taken down or something like that, or you're changing your bonus. And then that basically any of the buttons here will now link to this affiliate link. And you can also open those in a new window or choose to just open it when someone clicks it in the same window. Then you have pro features down here, attention bars, exit redirects. These are all going to be upgrades. And you can change the page color, the outer color, the inner color. And then there is the bonus delivery page down here. Here you're going to have the bonus delivery file name. And again, bonus delivery 654, or I can say bonus delivery for Commission Gorilla version 3. And then you just simply come up here and you save that, and that will save the page there that we created. And of course, if I save it just like that, it will look like that. If I want to get rid of these blocks, which I do, I simply just start deleting these blocks. Here this says watch this video when it's done. I'm going to leave this, click here to get your Commission Gorilla, but I'm going to delete this. These are just spacer blocks. Important, act now to guarantee your bonuses. We'll go ahead and we'll delete all this. Basically, it's just a block-based page builder. And what we're going to do is we're going to delete this, and I'm going to leave bonus number 1. I'm going to delete that. It would be nice, honestly, if there was like one big way to select all these and just delete them. But once you get a template and you like the template, then you can just utilize that template, and then you don't have to do all this. But I'm just showing you what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to delete the rest of these and be right back. And I'm back, and I deleted a bunch of that, and I'm going to see, or you're going to see right here where I'm going to drop in my bonus block, get Commission Gorilla right now, and get all the bonuses below. Here's a spacer. This is a spacer block. Here is my bonus. I'm going to say bonus number 1, or I'm just going to say bonus, and then I'm going to drop in a bonus block down here. And then you can see here, you click on blocks. It changes it from settings to blocks. Then you're going to see here that I'm going to drop in a bonus block. If I just click it, it dropped it right there, and then you simply just drag it up, and I'm going to drag it right between these two spacer blocks. Click here to select bonus. Then you can see your list of bonuses, and then of course the bonus that I created a minute ago, Commission Gorilla version 3.0. We'll select that. You can see here now, get your bonus 30-minute strategy call with me, and click here to get your bonus. Again, this is my affiliate link. This down here will actually link to the link that we put here, or you can override the link here by adding a different link. So we'll go ahead and just say okay to that. And now you can see what will happen is we can save and exit. And now that will be under my pages. But before that, you'll see all the pages that are available to you in this page builder. Now this page builder also has the option to download a PHP file, which you can add to your own hosting. That means that it will not be using bonuscrate.com. The reason you might need to do this is for SEO purposes, or for the purpose of bonuscrate.com might be blocked. I know for a little while it was actually blocked on Facebook. You couldn't put this URL on Facebook. They saw it as some type of spam or malicious site. So that was the reason that you would need to download and add it, or add the PHP site, or add the PHP file to your own site. Then you could actually add it to Facebook or Twitter or something like that, or even add it into your email so it wouldn't be looked as a spam email or something like that. But you can see here, you can also see the thank you page. So what you're doing now is you have the bonus page where people see the bonus that you're providing for the affiliate offer that they click. Same that you're going to do here. You're going to click the link in the description, the pinned first comment. It's going to take you over to the page that you're seeing me create right now. Then after you purchase, you're actually going to get this link, and I'm going to copy this link. And what happens here is I'll go back to where I'm actually promoting this product inside of JVZoo, and then under the actual JVZoo affiliate dashboard, or my affiliate dashboard inside of JVZoo, I can add bonuses. Here you can see I can add an affiliate link, and for Commission Gorilla version 3.0, I'm going to add the bonus URL, and the bonus URL that I'm going to add is that right there. I'm going to add that bonus. So then when you purchase Commission Gorilla from 30-Minute Marketing, you're going to get this bonus page, and I add that bonus. Now you'll see that when you actually make your purchase, that bonus will be right here. You can see that my bonus is added here. It's added to the affiliate bonuses that are listed when you purchase through my link. Of course, that link is in the description. If I go back to Commission Gorilla and I open up a new tab here and I paste in that bonuscrate.com, you can see it says, thank you, download your bonuses below, access your 30-minute strategy call bonus below. Congratulations, click this link. That link is actually going to lead you over to my bonus, which is my calendar, which you'll be able to see my calendar and then schedule a call with me after you pick up Commission Gorilla version 3. And that's just how simple this works. If you were to go back and copy this link here, this is the actual page. If I open up a new tab and paste that in, you're going to see, when you click on the link in the description, you're going to see this. You're going to see this button here. You can click that button. It's going to take you over. If you click that button, it's going to take you over to the Commission Gorilla sales page. You'll see here $47. You can get 20, or you can get free hosting for 20 promotions or 20 pages and the 10 done for you bonuses, or for $67, you can get unlimited pages, which is the one I suggest. And then when you click buy now, you're going to see the page right here. And this is what would happen if you were acting as an affiliate. But to see this actually the way it works, you can see now that you are going to buy Commission Gorilla. And down here, you are going to see Gary L. Baker, which is me. You're going to see my affiliate ID. And this is the way Commission Gorilla works. It is just that simple. When you go inside of Commission Gorilla and you go back to your home page, this is showing you the statistics of people that are clicking on your page, how it's performing. Then you go in, you add a bonus. You use one of these layouts. You saw the classic layout that I created. You also have the image graphic block, which is this right here. You can cancel that. You can select any of these bonus types. You can actually select the do-it-yourself, where you can come in here and you can actually build out your own blocks exactly the way you want them. You also have your bonus library when you create those. Now you do have the done for you bonus packs that you're going to get when you purchase through my link, the link in the description. And then it is the bonus page that people land on when they click on your link, like I just showed you. And then again, you have the ability to clone all of their product pages. So if you get approved to purchase, or you get approved to be an affiliate for their pages or their products, they have the pages ready for you. And you saw how I cloned this one for Commission Gorilla and simply created my own bonus, simple bonus of a 30-minute strategy call that I'm going to give you when you pick up Commission Gorilla through my link. There's a link here that takes you over and explains to you how to become an affiliate for all their products. There's also integrations here, so you can actually set up and you can capture emails. Basically, you can create a splash page or the bonus page. It'll add a pop-up and it'll allow you to grab an email address from any of these vendors. It'll integrate with that. Then once you're inside of your account, you have all your account information here, as well as the upgrade codes when you actually purchase the upgrades, what you actually have inside of your account. You can see here, these are all the upgrades that I've chosen. I do not have the agency license, or I didn't choose the one-time buyout. There are also other bonuses here for the different level. You can see here I have the Gorilla Silver video training, as well as I've been awarded these trainings as well. This is what these trainings look like when you click on the links. These are the videos. This is 10 videos called Affiliate Gorilla. This is basically explaining how to do at a higher level or a high level to be proficient at affiliate marketing. You can see here video 1, then it goes through each one of these, video 3, all the way through 10 videos. This is about an hour and 30 minutes of training. The other one is Traffic Rampage. This is about traffic, how to get traffic, where to get traffic, what traffic really is. You can see here these videos, there's 9 videos there. Again, about an hour and a half of training. Those are all linked inside of your account. But the basic idea is Commission Gorilla is a page builder. It builds bonus pages. It hosts them over at bonuscrate.com. If you don't have hosting, or you don't have a page builder or funnel builder, or if you would just like something easy where you can build these bonus blocks and then have them interlinked together, this is a great tool. I've had it since 2017. It simply works. It simply keeps working. They support it. I recommend it. Link in the description. Check out Commission Gorilla version 3. And my bonus of a 30-minute strategy call. I look forward to talking to you after you pick up Commission Gorilla, and I'll talk to you later.